happened?
It was the most traumatic experience of my life. Selfie! Oh my God!
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices.
And now you're going to die.
What's your mind?
There's no going back.
That's my favorite part. Feel my way through the darkness.
Teacher, can I use the bathroom?
I don't know, can you?
I don't know, can you get a full-time job?
Super soaked it. Oh. Super soaked it. I want that Ferrari and I said.
I'm a boss-ass bitch.
Barbecuing with your Asian friends.
Hello?
Turn on your barbecue, then you heat your grill.
Then you get your dog.
Exactly. No, Poppy!
I broke my leg and I can't get up.
Please hold.
When your legs don't work like they used to before. Show me the meaning of being lonely.
What?
Turn down for what?
You know my name, not my story. Alright, well, let's have a look at it then. Alright, well, it's a short story.
Babe, guess what?
What?
I'm off my period.
I'm about to get some sex. Yes.
Nice skirt, it's kind of short, isn't it?
Thanks. The designer used your dick as inspiration.
Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Okay, Flav, you gotta work it, strike a pose. Okay, gotta walk, feel the tension. 10, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4,